Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside with me, your host. It's another gloriously rainy day here in the UK and we're back at it again with an unboxing video. I've actually been sitting on this one for a while now. I've been getting increasingly aggressive emails from a guy called Tony Tortellini asking me to, Tortellino, whoops, asking me to open this up and review the insides. So I apologise, Tony, and to boss man Ivan as well. So this is my unboxing slash review. Let's see what's inside. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with. Bruh. Oh, look at this. What we got in here? Looks like another hat. Let's just get this out of the box. There we go. I'm not going to be needing this one anymore. There we go. It's another poem about fishing. Right, let's pop this on, see what it looks like. There we go. Tool hat. Definitely rate this one 5 stars. Anyway, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you down by the river.